In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to check and correct grammar. 2020 say useless. First, let's get your text into the chat clearly. You can paste a single sentence, a few paragraphs, or even a full document. When you paste, try to keep the formatting simple so the text is clean and easy to read. If there are line breaks, extra spaces, or leftover markup, tidy those up so the model doesn't misread your structure. Right after you paste, tell ChatGPT exactly what you want. Ask it to check grammar, spelling, and punctuation, and include the tone you're aiming for: formal, casual, or professional. The clearer your instructions, the more precise the corrections will be. If it matters, you can also mention your audience or context, like a job application, a class essay, or a blog post, so the edits fit your purpose. Next, use specific grammar prompts to guide the model. You can say, "Correct the grammar in this paragraph." If you want more than fixes, ask for sentence improvement and style refinement by saying, "Rewrite this professionally with better clarity." You can also request readability and clarity enhancements, such as smoothing transitions or tightening long sentences. If your readers need straightforward language, request simplified wording. If you're writing for an expert audience, ask for more advanced phrasing. It helps to remind ChatGPT to keep your original meaning intact while improving the language. After you get the corrected version, take a moment to review it. Compare the new text with your original to confirm nothing important was removed or added. Read it aloud to check for tone consistency and natural phrasing. If a change seems unclear, ask ChatGPT to explain the correction and why it works. This is a great way to learn patterns you can apply in future drafts. If needed, iterate. You can ask for a slightly warmer tone, a more concise version, or a variant better suited to emails, essays, blogs, or reports. Once you're satisfied, you can use the improved text with confidence. Using ChatGPT for grammar has clear benefits. It saves time on proofreading and editing, builds confidence in your writing, and elevates professionalism. Whether you're a student polishing assignments, a professional refining workplace communication, or a content creator preparing posts, this workflow helps make your writing clearer, cleaner, and more effective. With clear input, targeted prompts, and a careful review, you'll get polished results fast.